What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily market update on Luna Classic. We'll go over all the fundamentals you need to know. We'll go over if we can be bullish soon again. Talked about that a little bit yesterday as well, but it's weekend, so see this as kind of a weekend update. With that being said, I hope you're all having a great start of the weekend. What we see for Luna Classic is actually pretty weird because the volume has gone up over the last 24 hours. It largely has to do with this move we had, which was expected, as you can see. Yesterday I said we were probably going to test that 18,000 level. We did that and then afterwards dropped down to probably 17,000 again, which is what we're doing right now, I think. If you really zoom in, what you can see is that we took a break retest off of that 28 EMA, which is quite a lot of bearish confirmation. So I do think, but we'll get into the technicals a little bit later. But yeah, volume going up is great, especially for Luna Classic, right? But in general, it also shows that the community is still strong, still buying power, and there's still, well, relatively a lot of hype. Luna Classic still has, at this point of time, one of the strongest communities, so that's an amazing thing to have in a bear market. But apart from that, it's also obviously for Luna Classic, it's good for the burns as well. And if we take a look at the burns, they were quite high lately. They're dropping down again, but it does look like we found a new baseline, right? So it does look like we found a new kind of bottom of how much we can burn. Even though, I mean, it looks like we're burning even less this weekend. But overall, we burned through quite a lot. That's stopping. Well, that's quite logical because the volume in the entire market actually starts to drop down. But we've burned through a lot of Luna Classic, and what we talked about yesterday as well is that beginning of December, before the beginning of December, I am actually expecting some more bullish momentum because and I'm not sure when exactly. We'll talk about that later as well, but I am expecting some more bullish momentum because of the Binance burn coming up beginning of December. I think that's going to be around 15 billion. I always said that I thought it was more than 20 billion, but thinking about it, that was just it was just too much. So that's coming up. That's something to look out for. It's quite a nice thing, I think, and it's good for the community, I think. But before that, I mean, it does look like with the continuing bearish sentiment in the market, because that's still the truth. I still think that this is going to happen. So right now, I think we're dropping down to 17,000. That's always what I name the prices as. We might find, or we'll probably find some support there, but I don't think it's enough to actually break above 18,000. And eventually what I think will happen in general is that we'll just drop down to 16,000, find some support there, but then afterwards also drop down to 15,000. And for now, actually, unless like Binance falls as an exchange, no, I'm joking, but unless we get some very bearish fundamental news again, I do think these levels will hold until next week even. I'm not sure if they will hold until December, but as I said, at some point we can be expecting some sort of a rally, some sort of a bullish momentum for Luna Classic. So I'll still be analyzing every day to check whether that's coming. So if you want to know when that's coming, make sure to subscribe, because I'll try to be the first one to tell you. But for now, that's my take on Luna Classic for this weekend. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.